Okay guys, we have this how to solve for x on this one, so make sure to follow up. And there is a common mistake that people do on this one, so let's be careful and check this. So here you want to solve for x. The first thing you do is to isolate this root. The root here you have to isolate it. So now we have to move the 5 to the other side. So in this case we are left with x plus 7. X plus 7 equal to x minus 5. So we have this case now. So now the root is isolated. We can take it out now. We can get rid of it. So how do we get rid of the root? By doing what? Introducing a squared. So we square both sides so that we can get rid of the root. Now the root and the square, they cancel each other. We are left with only the inside. So here equal to what? X minus 5 2 times, which is x minus 5 again. So in this case, x minus 5, we can expand this bracket. Now we have x plus 7 here. Then x times x will get x squared. X times minus 5 we get minus 5x. Minus 5 times x we get minus 5x. Minus 5 times minus 5 we get positive 25. So in this case we can add like terms again. So here we still have x plus 7. So this side will have what? X squared, because it's alone. Then we see x, then we can add the numbers negative 5 and minus 5. You can use a calculator, or if you know, you can write that this is 10x minus 10x, then plus 25 here. So this is what we have. So since here we have x squared here, we can move everything to one side so that we can solve for x. So since the x squared is positive here, I like to move where the x squared is positive. So here I will leave 0. You can write it like this. Then here we have x squared minus 10x plus 25. Then remember that you moved the other one to the other side, which is will be minus x and minus 7. So having this now, we can write this, add like terms. We see x squared, it's alone. So negative 10x plus 25 minus x minus 7. So do you see the x and x here? Then we add the number. The number here is negative 10 and the number here is negative 1. So if you add them together, you get negative 11x. So 25 minus 7. What is 25 minus 7? You get 18. You see, so now you can find the factors of these. For you, those who don't know how to find factors, I can show you that, or you can use quadratic equation and turn those factors, those answers into factors. But if you want to know how to do factors, you find 18, the factors of 18. Since here it's 1, 18 is what? It's 18 times 1, 1 times 18, and 2 times 9. 3 is times 6. 4 is not there. 5 is not there. 6 is not there. So 6 is there. So we are done. Since you see we are repeating the same number, so that means that we check here. You add them together. If you say 1 plus 18, we get 19. 1 minus 18, we get 17, which is, this is wrong. It doesn't give us 11. We want the one that gives us 11. So 2 plus 9, we get 11. So let's try this one again. 3 plus 6, we get 9. So it's wrong. So the only one that gave us 11 is this one here. So but we want a negative 11. To achieve that, we have to have negative 2 and negative 9. So this will be x minus 2 and x minus 9. So we can multiply, we get 18. We add negative 11. So then the answer is x equal to 2 or x equal to 9. So but after getting the answer, now this is the common mistake that people do here. People just leave it here. You don't have to leave it here, guys. You don't have to leave it here. What you have to do is to check which one is correct between the two. So check this. Check when x equal to 2. So your left hand side must equal to the right hand side. Your left hand side in this case, it's square root of what? You put, when you see x, you put 2. 2 plus 7, then plus 5 outside. 2 plus 7, we know it's 9. Square root of 9 is 3. 3 plus 5, that will give us 3 plus 5 is 8. So now the right hand side, if we check the right hand side, this, if you put 2, it will just give you 2, which is wrong. So when it's wrong, you put not equal to. Then we can check the other one. Let's check when x equal to 9. So let's check when x equal to 9. If we check the left hand side, we have what? The left hand side equal to what? Square root of, we put 9 where we see square root plus 7, then plus 5 here. Then what do we get? 9 plus 7, we get 16. Square root of 16, we get 4 plus 5, which is 9. Then the right hand side will get 9 exactly. So this is correct, the other one, the x equal to 9. So that's how you finalize your answer. This is how you finalize your answer. Then you get your full marks. You become a doctor and something like what. So okay, sharp. Now let me give you work to do now, because you have to do work, guys. Let me give you work. Oh shit, where's the work now? Oh shit. Okay, so now let me give you work. So solve this work. Okay, so this is work for you guys to comment on the comment section. So let's say we have square root of x plus 3 plus square root of x minus 2 equal to square root of 4x plus 1. So can you find or can you solve for x here? What is x in this case? Thank you.